Hey guys, Ben Holdry coming to you live from the Forest River studio. Today we're going to walk through the 2025 Surveyor Legend 252 RBLE. This floor plan is 29 feet, 7 inches long, half-ton towable floor plan. Let's get into it. We've got 82-inch ceiling height here, 6-foot tall slide outs. We've got a 15K BTU, that's standard equipment. Let's check out some of these kitchen features here. We've got nice big countertops, big oversized sink. We've got a really nice residential cutting board here that mounts behind the range here. Standard central vac system as well. We've got 21-inch ovens in all of our dual axle floor plans. Really cool feature there, really nice upgrade. Here we've got a 10 cubic foot residential fridge here, 10 cubic foot, 12 volts, gonna run off your solar power. You've got a standard 39-inch TV here, standard electric fireplace, really cool feature. Obviously it puts off a lot of heat, but you can turn it down, use it for just the ambiance if you want to do that as well. A really nice dinette area here. You've got a really large booth dinette, some nice storage underneath as well. I'm going to show you some additional storage. Walk-in pantry here, really nice setup. You've got some coat hooks here as well, but really nice storage here with nets and motion lighting. All right, let's check out the bathroom area here. 4-speed high-powered fan here by Furrion. Really nice setup there. Slow close retractable shower door, mildew resistant material, very easy to maintain. We've got a really nice medicine cabinet here with storage behind it, backsplash. Porcelain toilet is standard. You've got motion lighting and a ton of storage here as well for linens or whatever you've got, and then some nice towel hooks here as well. So some great features in this bathroom in the Surveyor Legend. You've got a really nice sofa set up here directly across from your entertainment center. This is going to be a standard trifold sofa, but you can see we've got it upgraded here to a theater seat. You got cup holders in the arms, but just a really nice setup there. Let's check out this bedroom area. Really beautiful setup. Big walkway back to the bedroom. Front window here with the shade. 60 by 80 residential queen bed. You're going to find that in all of our Legend floor plans. You lift that up, it's on gas struts, nice storage underneath. And then you can see the nice cubby area we've got back behind the bed. Built-in cup holders. You've got power in the cubby area as well, but some really nice storage here. Overheads with gas strut assist, oversized wardrobes. Just a really nice storage setup, but it feels really big in here. Does not feel closed in at all. Let's step outside and talk about some of the exterior features. Up front here, we've got some really nice standard equipment, power tongue jack. You've got a holder for your 7-way cord here, which is really nice. Standard battery disconnect, and this is the repeater for your tire pressure monitoring system. That's going to be standard equipment as well. We've got some great stuff going on here. First of all, we've got slam latch baggage doors with the magnetic catches. And then in here, we've got a really nice drill bit accessory here that's going to help with your manual jacks, and it's going to have a mount in here as well. We've got USB-C port, which is really cool. Plug in your devices on the outside. Then we've got motion lighting in this area as well, but a really nice clean pass-through on the door side here. Nice big awning with the LED light strip. We've got Lippert solid steps on every single entry. Really easy to adjust the legs. This is a nice upgrade from Lippert. Some really cool stuff going on that you're going to see stickers for by our entry doors. 400-watt solar package, again, one of the biggest solar packages on the market. Extended season ready. We've got a 2-inch aluminum floor with block foam insulation, sealed underbelly on every single model. We've got a dedicated heat duct that forces air to the underbelly when you're running your furnace. And then we've got standard 12-volt heating pads on every single tank. And again, that's going to be standard equipment on every single model that we build for 2025. You're going to have Goodyear Endurance tires on every single model. We talked about the tire pressure monitoring system. That is an unbelievable safety feature for you. It's going to monitor heat, tire pressure. If you have a fast leak or slow leak, it'll alarm you of that as well. So a great feature, again, that we've got on every single model. Let's check out this outside kitchen area here. Really nice setup. I love this compact setup that we've got here. Gives you everything you need on the outside, again, underneath the awning as well. We've got a really cool latch here. So this is a magnetic latch, but it's also going to lock into place for you. We do that on all of our outside kitchen setups, but you've got the mini refrigerator out here, hot and cold exterior spray port. That's a new feature for 2025, but you've got this great Suburban Elite Series cooktop with the Lodge cast iron top here. Just a really nice setup for 2025. All right, let's check out some of the features we've got going on in the rear here. You've got standard roof ladder prep. This is going to accommodate that telescoping ladder that you can get aftermarket from Lippert. You've got a 2-inch receiver on every single model that we build for 2025, and then you've got your backup camera prep as well. This is a fully walkable roof, PVC roof membrane up there as well. We've got some of the best lightweight construction on the market, Asdale in our walls, but just a really nice setup on the rear here. And then we've got some nice motion lighting on the other side as well, near your dump area. All right, thanks for joining me on this walkthrough of the Surveyor Legend 252 RBLE. For more information, you can go to our website at www.forestriverinc.com/surveyor. Follow us on social media. Thanks for joining me.